Back in January, I was fortunate enough to visit Puerto Vallarta, Sayulita, and San Pancho, Mexico. This was all before 2020 transformed into the year of the beast. It was nearly a flawless vacation. Perfect weather, no sunburn, great food, fun times with my girlfriend on the beach, biking through jungles, just incredible all around, really. The only fault outside of a relatively mellow bout of Montezuma's revenge was my footage. I set my camera angle too low in Puerto Vallarta, which rendered the majority of my footage unwatchable, and had my GoPro cut out on me during the best segments of Singletrack throughout my vacation. I've tried to salvage what I can to put together something I can look back on fondly. At the end of the day, I got a good mix of some urban riding and Singletrack, and highly recommend getting on the bike if you make the trip yourself. What's going on, guys? This is Sam. It's 7:24 a.m. and I'm here in Puerto Vallarta, Jalisco, Mexico, and we're gonna mountain bike here pretty soon. Alright. Oh damn. Due to me not adjusting my camera angle properly, the footage from Puerto Vallarta is pretty bad. What wasn't bad, however, was my guide, Fernando, who took me on an awesome ride through the streets and up the mountains, and eventually down some fun and sketchy Singletrack back into town. Oh yeah. If you end up booking a tour through Ecoridemex and Fernando's your guy, you're in good hands. Actually, like, groom the Singletrack so you can let this guy through. We began our ride in the city and linked up with another rider whose name I can't recall, who I believe was in her first or second year on a mountain bike, but was hammering climbs with ease. After Fernando fixed a busted chain, we began our ascent, passing by the Rio Quale and up cobblestone and dirt roads. Rio Quale. Okay. Once I got into mountain biking, I just been stuck on mountain biking. Okay. Nice. Whoa.
How you feel? Now it's flat.
Oh, nice.
Two
kilometers?
Two very small climbs.
Okay.
Like
We eventually got to the top and took a quick break, enjoying the views and talking bikes, until it was finally time to get to the downhill, including some actual Singletrack. Oh, shit. Good? The hand?
it'll be clip.
Oh, you gotta unclip, sorry. Nice, firm. Oh man. Oh shit. The GoPro effect here is pretty significant, as the riding itself was pretty gnarly, steep, ruddy, and loose, which was super fun. When it started to get even more fun is when my GoPro decided to stop working. Fortunately, the experience itself was great, and that's what matters most. Also, Puerto Vallarta was really nice and less touristy than I expected. Thanks to Fernando for showing me around. Stay tuned for more bad riding, heavy breathing, and subpar camera work in future vids. Over and out.